Hey everybody, Justin from Destination Kia here. Check it out, right here behind me, I've got a 2025 Kia EV6, and brand new for this model year, we have introduced one of our favorite customer colors. This guy is wolf gray. Not a matte finish paint, but it's also not a metallic color. The fact that it's not matte means it doesn't require any special care, but these flat finish colors are really cool. Without the metallic flake, they have a different look to them, and it's just a kind of an arresting car. Really, really sharp. You can see it's next to a bright white, so very, very sharp new color. This vehicle also is produced in the United States, and its battery composition is high enough that it qualifies for the $7,500 federal tax credit. So if you've been waiting to get your hands on an EV6, no reason to wait any longer. All the hottest colors. We've now got the NACS port, so that means not only can you charge everywhere in the nation on your standard charging outlets, but you've also got the ability to use the Tesla network. That's an additional 48,500 chargers that just became available. So EV6 2025 qualifies for tax credits. Charge it anywhere you like. This thing is awesome. Get down here, check out all the new colors. Destination Kia. We can't wait to see you.